Hi everyone, this is Lucy with another great recipe for you. Today I'm roasting a chicken over the potatoes. A very simple to make recipe with just a few ingredients, a one-pot meal. For this recipe I'm preparing one large yellow potato for each serving. I season a very large chicken and let it rest overnight in the refrigerator. The ingredients I use for this seasoning are in the description below this video. I season the entire chicken, especially in the inside. Then I tie the legs with kitchen twine. I detach the skin from the breast and then tucked the wings underneath the skin. And then I drizzle a little olive oil all over the chicken. Then I'm going to peel and cut one large yellow potato for each serving. If I'm serving 6 people, then I'm preparing 6 potatoes. I'm cutting them in about 1/2 inch. With the seasoning that was left over from the chicken, I sprinkle just a little bit over the potatoes. In an oven-proof large frying pan, I'm going to brown the bottom of the potatoes in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, just until they are golden brown in the bottom. Then I turn off the stove and place the chicken over the potatoes. I cover lightly, just enough for the chicken not to burn before it's time, and then I place this chicken in the oven at 325 degrees for about 1 hour. After the hour, I uncover the chicken and let it roast for about 1/2 of an hour. After an hour and a half in the oven, just about, it could take longer or it could take less, all depends on the size of the chicken. Remove your chicken from the oven, place the chicken in a serving platter and remove the kitchen twine. Then turn each potato to the other side and place the potatoes back in the oven for about 15 minutes. Once the potatoes are out of the oven, remove them and place them in the serving platter. Do not discard the grease left in the pan. We are not discarding this flavoring, so we are adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it well with the grease left in the pan. And I'm doing this in medium temperature on my stove. Mix it until there's no lump, and then little bit at a time we're going to add chicken broth. Just mix it, and if necessary, keep adding chicken broth until it gets into a nice gravy consistency. It will take about 1 cup of chicken broth. Then I strain the gravy and place it by the potatoes and the chicken for serving. As you can see, this recipe is already done. It's complete. Buen provecho. I hope you like this recipe and that you come back to see me again. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. I want to see you back in my next video. So I see you soon. Bye bye.